Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make Bank of American app dark mode. That is how to enable dark mode in Bank of American app. It's a quick guide. One, you got to check the app support. Ensure your Bank of American app is updated. The latest version supports dark mode. Then you can enable it on iPhone. How? Go to iPhone settings, select display and brightness, and then tap on dark mode. Bank of American app will simply follow your system settings. If you're using Android, you can open Bank of American app, tap on profile and settings, tap on theme, and select dark mode if it's available. Remember to update the latest version so it will be available. Then you can also do the manual toggle. Some versions allow in-app dark mode under settings, then appearance. Then you can also and the next thing to do is to start the app, close and reopen Bank of America to apply changes. If dark mode isn't visible, it means Bank of America may not fully support it yet, so please check for updates. Dark mode reduces eye strain and saves your battery, so it is good for you. Hope you found this video helpful.